If you're encountering the Fortnite Matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update Fortnite. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in the launcher and install any available patches, as outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy playing Fortnite again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.